Welcome. Let me ask you a question. What would you like to do if you have an opportunity whereby you can be earning as much as $100, and with a model that I'm going to present to you, you can even be earning as much as $100 on a daily basis using an application that is well known for since the last 20 years, GetResponse. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to pick a link. There is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it's not going to add any money onto you or add any burden onto you. It's just going to redirect you to the website, and you are going to just click on the link. Okay, it's going to take you to the website, and I'm going to show you a model that is proven to work. And it is not just because the model is proven to work, but because the money is involved. It is a system that everybody needs as far as business is concerned, and especially during this time that we need to bring up a model of how to earn and how to work and how to improve our business on another scale, take our business into digital. So one of the things you really need is an email solution, and one of the features that you need in any email solution is autoresponder services. And that is why I have actually googled this, that email autoresponder services that is available, and one of it is going to be GetResponse. GetResponse has been available for more than 20 years, so it is not again saying that the application or the solution is very important, is well known, and so many people are already leveraging, optimizing, and using it. Having said this, there is a need for us to develop a model that will get us $100 daily minimum. Okay, and one of the strategy I'm going to show you in this video is what WHUk can actually test. There is nothing, you have nothing to lose. You have no down payment investment or thereabout. There's nothing like that. Basically, is just to leverage a single model. I'm going to use two types of that single model. But let me first of all prove that you can actually earn $100 on a daily basis leveraging this solution, GetResponse. Now, if you click through this link in the description, like I've explained, it's going to take you to this landing page, the main page, the home page. The first thing you are going to do, that you should do, is to sign up. It is free. Interestingly, it is free for first 30 days. So you have nothing to lose. You have no money to waste. You just need to come online and start leveraging a solution that you can actually get started immediately without even putting any down payment. And I'm going to do so many tutorials, guides for you to see that there are so many things available in this solution that you need, and everybody needs it. So interestingly, this package, this account that I'm using for this tutorial is just a new account, a very new account. And the reason why I've been able to bring up a new account in order to show you is in order to prove that indeed you can set up a model that will be getting you so amount on a daily basis, or so amount on a weekly basis, or so amount on a monthly basis. And the first thing you are going to do once you verify your account, like you see, this is a trial version and it's going to expire in the next 25 days. So I'm looking at what can I achieve between now and 25 days in order to see that indeed my content here is actually proven. And there are so many other videos that will be coming up to show you that indeed the model is a proven one. So the first thing you are going to do once you sign up and you verify with your email account and what have you, is to come to this account, your account, and you click affiliate program. Okay, and when you click affiliate program, of course you have to sign up. That is another content. Now you have signed up for GetResponse email solution. Now this is an affiliate program of GetResponse. So there are two things. The email solution is the services that GetResponse is rendering. Affiliate program is the opportunity that GetResponse have given you in order to make some money by marketing their product. And I'm going to give you two models from the same principle, but two different models that will make this thing work for you. Now, where did I get the mindset or this concept of $100 And where did I get it from? Is that I did not fake it, and it is live. You can go and confirm it. Click the affiliate link that you have in my description, and you can actually sign up for free and confirm. GetResponse is going to pay you $100 for every account that you refer. Okay, $100 in commission, one-time generous time of commission offer, which is $100. And of course, you can actually sign up if you need recurring. Recurring means that the more people use their solution, the longer they use their solution on a monthly basis, they are going to be paying for the services, and you will keep earning. The more they use their services, the more they pay, the more you earn. And if you click through the pricing, you are going to see much about their pricing, what they view. So the most important thing is to sign up and pick up 100. You just sign for this, and once you sign up, you fill all these basic things that you really need to do, and you create your account. But then if you already have your account, you can actually log into your account, and you are going to see, like I told you from the start, this is a unique free account, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get it done. So here you get your affiliate link. This is where you get your affiliate link. GetResponse will tell you those who actually open free accounts through your link and open paid account through your link, and your commission, and you can start earning. And so many opportunities are still available, and I'm going to share those with you. So when you click a copy and you copy your affiliate link, and that is the most important thing in order to start earning $100. And I'm going to show you a model that can help you generate a sequence of $100 on a daily basis. Now, the first model, if you come back to my screen here, the first model, the first system I'm going to show you is YouTube channel. Okay, why do I actually talk about YouTube channel? Then what are you going to use YouTube channel for? Now, the first thing you are going to see, if you go to Google, let me just say let me say YouTube monthly active users. So here I'm going to show you a statistic that talk about 2 billion monthly active users. I'm not generating this, I'm not faking this, I just actually made a research on Google, and you can actually get it yourself. So when we have 2 billion people searching for information on YouTube, the next thing you are going to do, it means that you can actually set up a YouTube account. And how do you get a YouTube account? If you have your Gmail account, just go to Google. You come to YouTube, you'll see YouTube is one of the features of Google. So you open YouTube, and you are going to set up a free account. So here you can see so many people actually come online within few days. They have video talk about teaching somebody something. So the model is you are going to teach, and you would start getting to grow rich. You are going to teach, and you will start getting to grow rich. Now, what do you teach? One of the things you should be teaching, and you have opportunity of teaching, which you are going to see. The first thing you are going to do when you come here, please kindly search for Fetuga Mojeed, because you are going to see my videos, my YouTube channel. I have 99 videos available. So you will see a series I have on GetResponse. I have actually done some solution too. First, let me say auto funnel. Let me search for yes, I have done a video on auto funnel. But I think the feature is no longer available on GetResponse. Basically, we are going to just start teaching and growing rich. The first thing you are going to do is to sign up, because I have tons of videos. So if you ask yourself, I don't know where I'm going to get the videos, I don't know how to get the videos, I don't know what to teach, I don't know how to teach, you can actually get some videos available on my YouTube channel. So the first thing is watch the videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch the video, get some highlights. Some of the videos are even available for reuse and what have you. So you can actually get the videos and reuse them, put in your link and what have you, and you can still make cool income by what? By following that model. So you are going to teach how to build a solution with GetResponse. Okay, you are going to teach how to solve problems with GetResponse, the problems of email marketing, the problems of auto funnel, the problem of autoresponders, the problem of, there are so many solutions GetResponse have actually gotten. Then you will just start teaching, and you would have opportunity of putting your link in the description, at the first link in the description. Anybody who has found some value from what you have taught, your communication tools are available, your webinar, your automation, your autoresponder, email marketing, these are communication tools available. We have growth tool, business growth tool, your conversion funnel, your landing page, your forms and survey, even Facebook ads is available here. And you also have stores. You can actually put, I'm going to do a video. If you check the video I have actually done on auto funnel, okay, it actually talks about stores and products, how you can actually set them up. So I'm going to do another video making use of all these tools, okay, step by step guide. So the first thing you are going to see once you have found the value from what you are looking for in this video is that the need to say, okay, let me click through the affiliate link available in this description. And for the fact, affiliate link will not add any burden or any money onto your billings. Your billings is just your normal billings, and it does not remove anything from your expenses. So if you should follow this model, you can definitely set up solutions that will be marketing, I will be teaching, and you will be having opportunity of clicking through your links, people clicking through your links in order to sign up for this solution, and you'll be earning on a daily basis. Now the second model, the second funnel, is making use of GetResponse itself. So you are going to set up GetResponse, click through this link, like I said, it is in the description. So you are going to get to build a subscriber list, and your subscriber list, what you need just to teach, definitely you teach somebody, you show somebody the value of what you are offering, and so when they are convinced that, okay, I have seen some values, I want to take this offer, they are eligible to clicking through your link. So it's not a compulsory thing. If they don't click through your link, there is no crime in it. But then if you have YouTube channel and they watch your videos on YouTube, your YouTube is also growing. If they subscribe to your YouTube channel is also growing. So at the end of the day, you can even start monetizing your YouTube, and you will be making money from that. Even this teach and grow rich is another beautiful model. Likewise, if you build your subscriber list and you have conversion from teaching and growing rich, people clicking through your control group, because those who opt into your subscriber list are within your subscriber list, so they are a control group. You can always remarket to them. So there's always opportunity of remarketing to your subscribers. So when somebody have bought from you, or they are getting some value from using your recommended kits or training or model, they are already within they are already loyal to you. So whenever you have any other solution, any other guides, any other thing or products or services, you can always remarket to your subscribers. But either way, you are still going to grow rich if you make use of any of these model, whether the system 1 or system 2. So in summary, you should take an opportunity. This an opportunity. Click through this link in the description, copy the link and paste on your GetResponse on your browser. It's a free package. Like, I'm actually showing you how I'm going to set this up, and I'm actually setting it up with a free package for the next 25 days. This package will still be free, and the link will still be active, and the value will still be available. And as long as people go and search for your information, probably on YouTube, on any other solution that you have put in place in order to generate more customers, you would continuously earning from these system. So it is important that you should start now. And how do you need to start? You just need to click the link in the description, like I've always been saying. And if you have any question, please, you can follow me on my social media channels, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and chat me up. I'm willing to just work with you, help you in order to get some value across. Thank you and God bless. In the next video, we will be looking at the futures of GetResponse, and we'll be looking at so many integrations, and that is why you should subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will not miss out anything. So when you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can check the playlist on GetResponse. You are going to see tons of videos available. Thank you and God bless.